Hello, welcome back to another video. And gaya nga nung sinabi ko nung nakaraang video, dahil anniversary namin, pero walang plano, pero merong nagplano para sa amin. Andito kami sa Long Beach. Dito kami. Ay, hindi pa kita eh. Yan. So may tugtog ako ngayong gabi sa Noy Pits, Long Beach. Pero nandito kami sa Long Beach hanggang kailan ba tayo dito?
Sunday.
Sure ka? Ayun, so hanggang Sunday dito kami. Sa Airs Iris. Airs yan. Yung aming mga Maui buddies na si Mary and Ray. Kumuha sila ng kwarto dito sa sa Airs Hotel na 10 minutes away from Noy Pits. So dito kami hanggang Sunday. And then tomorrow pupunta kami ng Catalina. Are you excited? Pa-winter wonderland yun. Lamig na lamig yun. Hindi ko lang kung kailangan namin mag-check-in pa eh. Kasi nauna na sila. Kala ko fake yung fireplace. Pwede. Ganda dito ah. Parang historic yung dating eh, no? Oh, there you are.
Here, we put this in your car.
Ah, okay. We parked at the back. That's fine?
Yeah.
All the way to
As
the
long as
back.
you have that on your dashboard.
Oh, okay. Hold on.
Okay.
Kasi ito. This is exciting. Ngayon lang namin gagawin to. Usually, nasa Maui kami. Ngayon dito lang kami. We are staying local for the weekend. Dito sa Airs. Malamig na. Tapos excited ako dun sa gig namin mamaya. Kasi, ibang banda bagong banda. Tapos yung tugtugan niya, nag-text sa akin yung singer si Chito. Pantanggal daw ng tutol eh. So, rock and roll to the world mamaya. Exciting. Ay, dami talagang Dapat ipagpasalamat. Ikaw, nakapagpasalamat ka ba? Ha? Okay na. Ito pala, may gusto akong talagang may hangover pa ako nung preaching ni Pastor Franklin from last week eh. Kasi nga yung preaching niya, ang topic niya was from every problem, from a problem, meron laging miracle. Yan. Palaging ganun daw. Tama naman, di ba? Hindi naman pwedeng miracle tapos magkakaroon ng problema. So if there's a problem, there's always a miracle. And bago pa man dumating yung miracle, very timely since Thanksgiving. So magpe-pray tayo about something. Wala pa man, ipagpasalamat na natin kay Lord kung ano man yun. Di ba? So sumagot man siya o hindi, kailangan natin magpasalamat kasi pag hindi siya sumagot, ibig sabihin, it's either hindi pa time, not yet time, or hindi para sa atin. Iniiwas niya tayo sa mga bagay na hindi maganda. Tama ba ito? 115. Anong room number ba? 146 148 148. Baka dito. Ganda dito ah. Maganda kasi libre. Oh, there you are.
This is you. We're here.
Oh, we're just right in front of the laundry. I said, hey.
Yeah, he's coming.
What do you mean he's coming? He's not
He's
here?
right here. He's in there. You go say hi.
What is he doing?
He's coming. He's coming. He's grabbing you.
What's up, man?
So,
What's
man.
up, Ray? Happy Thanksgiving, buddy.
Yeah, happy Thanksgiving. Came just in time, dude. And I started watching Fast and Furious.
Love your room. It is very roomy.
Let's check out your room. Let's check out your room.
Oh, you guys are all settled in, huh?
Yeah.
Have you guys ever stayed here before? No?
This one.
Okay.
Ray, did you bring the key?
Yeah.
Okay, as long as you have the key. Cause
Oh, yeah.
Are you coming?
Yeah.
Are you sure you're coming?
Yeah, I want to see you, man. Let's see.
Huh? Usually, probably 8:30.
8:30?
Yeah.
Okay.
it's Filipino food, right?
Huh?
Yeah.
Filipino food. Okay.
No, the time?
No, Filipino food right there.
Oh, yeah. Pinanonood sa akin yung si Ray eh.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So, dito tayo nag-park. Doon.
Oh, you should park next to the pool.
We parked back there. There's a pool?
Yeah.
There's microwave in the fridge.
Oh, yeah. We actually parked by the pool.
Oh, perfect. Because you can go through this, out through this way.
So we have to wake
Man,
up
it's
tomorrow
cold. Are you planning to...
We have to wake up tomorrow early because there's breakfast.
Oh, yeah?
From 6 to 9, and then we have to leave from here to be at the port by 10, so we can get on the boat at 11, and then you guys, whatever you guys want to do from there. I don't know what you're going to do from there.
An hour.
Okay, fine. Outfit check. Ma-outfit check. Oh. Yon. Let's go. Later. Yeah, sa akin. Alright. So, mauna na ako dun. Mauuna na at magsiset up. Set up muna. First set niyan most likely mga 9 o'clock. Malamig ah. Wala kung saan ang daanan. Exit dun eh. Ito na naman ako. Excited na ininervous na di maintindihan. Kasi ang masaya naman yung ginagawa ko lately. Diba? Nakakatugtog na ako ulit. Pero iba-iba yung genre ng tinutugtog ko. So every week, iba-iba yung lineup na kinakapa ako. So wala akong oras talaga na tutukan yung yung mga kanta. So kagaya last week, di ba? Jumames Ingram ako last week. Tapos nung last weekend, iba yung lineup, tapos ngayon na naman, iba na naman. Yun lang. Okay. Pero it's all good. Exciting pa rin. It's exciting kasi, alam mo yung pakiramdam, kung naglalaro ka ng basketball, para doon sa mga nagba-basketball. So isipin mo, pagka dumadayo ka, di ba? Iba-iba yung mga nakakasama mo, iba-iba yung mga nakakalaro mo, iba-iba yung court. So parang gano'n. Yeah. 10 minutes pala for beer.
あなたと一緒に過ごす瞬間全部宝物だキラキラ眩しくて他のことが身がなくなりそうだいつも私のこと笑顔にする魔法みたいだお願い時計でずっと
Ito talaga yung pamatay dito eh. Setup. Oh, maganda dito ah. Entrance ito. Naliligaw ako. Pwede dumaan dito. Pali. May daan doon sa likod. Mali. Kailangan ko mag-hire ng PA. Pwede dito? Setup mo na, setup. Ganda dito. Bago eh. Bago ba to? Ganda, no? Ito mga kalaro natin ngayon. Kalaro natin tonight.
Ayos!
Party. It's all good. Ayun o. Oh, mulundag na to.
Kakain pa tayo.
Sound check tayo.
Soundcheck tayo. Soundcheck natin yung Kirby natin.
Yung tech mukhang hindi pa kumakain eh. Pakainin mo muna. Ang sumido eh. Oh? Sumido yung tech. Tawag dyan ano eh. Pagka ganyan yung mga tech, tawag dyan lintek.
Sound check 1 2. Sound check 1 2. Sound check 1 2. 1 2. 1 2. Sound check 1 2. 1 2. Sound check.
Ray's here. What's up, Ray? What's up, Brian? Quick.
They don't know what quick is. What's quick?
Haven't had quick?
I don't remember.
Man. But that's supposed to be vinegar. It's
Oh yeah, I want the vinegar.
is there chicken? No. Krill eggs.
This is the
Dinakdakan ba yan? No.
no sinugba, sorry, sinugba. This is shrimp, tuna. This is the
Ano yan? Filipino food 101. Yeah, it's my friend right here. He's not Filipino. He's from the Middle East. Where are you from originally? Is Bolo?
I can't believe I'm with Brian.
You realize that this is going to be seen on YouTube.
Oh,
huh?
no.
Sumakap na dito, man. Parang wala nangyari, ah. Yeah. Ikaw yung kumakanta, di ba?
Ha?
Ikaw yung kumakanta?
Ito?
Oo.
Oo, sabi nga nila.
Si Chito.
Nandito na si Chito.
Salamat, Noy Pits. Long Beach. It was a fun experience. May mabangis dito eh. Yung ligpitan. Ay, nako. Talaga sa likod eh. Alright. Pagod ako dun ah. Grabe. Para akong ano, bumalik sa literal sa pagkabata. Yun yung mga tinutugtog namin nung nasa college ako eh. Alright. So, sana nag-enjoy ka sa episode na to as much as nag-enjoy ako. Alright, so kita-kits sa the next one. And always wear that smile because Jesus loves you. Thank you po.